my getting up and shit, so it's like the only night I can kind of do it.
I think you're a fucking faggot.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? I like them.
We are faggots.
Wait, was that koi fish calling me a fag?
I think one guy's on. They're both on PC. One guy's on
Gunfight.
controller. One guy's on mouse. They're gonna be a good team, but we'll be fine. We got a sniper.
Oh yeah, they're gonna be so good. Oh yeah, I'm so scared.
Strasser 1, clear all sectors. Secure the flag to win. You've won that round. Get ready for the next one.
We're running fucking pistols, huh?
We're faggots. That's what we do.
Well, you said
Come on,
it,
koi fish. Come on.
There's spawn going left. Back. What was that? You good, mate?
Alright.
Come on,
Hey,
faggot.
man,
You
you
do
made
better
it,
than
man.
that.
Hey, you
Yeah.
could have shot me, but you probably couldn't hit it.
Strasser 1, secure the flag or clear all
keep
threats
pushing
in the
mid.
AO.
Have this shotgun down his fucking throat. Oh shit.
Fire all that's left. Finish the mission.
Hitting my shots. Any other excuses?
Wow, that wasn't a sniper rifle. You can shoot a shotgun?
yeah.
Am I supposed to be impressed?
It's down to you. Finish the mission.
So now what? What's your excuse now?
I have no excuses. I'm just saying you're a bitch.
What's your
Hey,
excuse now?
are y'all gonna win a game? Are y'all gonna win a round?
Strasser, eliminate the enemy or secure the flag to win.
I love asking him that.
Oh no.
Come on, you gotta get one round.
For talking all
One
that
round,
shit,
please.
you have to, bro. You have to.
I mean,
You can't get swept by
you're the one
faggots.
using pistols
Meet us
on
on
a sniper round.
a win.
Using pistols on a sniper round.
Oh my god.
The round is lost. Focus
There you
on the
Alright,
next
so
one.
go.
now
Had to
what?
teabag a little bit right there. Watch me. Yeah, that's what. I'm fucking around, dude. You suck.
You died there, dude.
I scrap. What? Did you not see me teabagging? I literally just sat
Wait,
there.
let's teabag in the corner back here. Come on, Andrew.
How are y'all so bad, man? Uninstall the fucking game for talking all that shit, bro. Like, what else do you want me to do? Shit on! Shit on! Number 2, shit on! Number 2, shit on!
Hey.
Get shit on, all of you.
Hey.
You own this? You own this?
Hey,
Yeah, I do. After that, bro, I definitely own you, bro. I definitely own you. You're my bitch, bro. You're my fucking bitch, bro.
You're the one using pistols